So, are you also running a real estate agency and do you also rely on 99 acres to collect the details of your own leads? Then you are on the right video. So, hello all, welcome back to Pabbly, and in this video I'll show you how you can send WhatsApp messages to your real estate leads automatically. An automated WhatsApp message is something like this, which is hi, name of your lead, thank you for your interest in our property, and then the area which they have entered while filling in the lead form. We have some great options available that I'd love to discuss with you. Please let me know a convenient time for a call. With the help of this automated WhatsApp message, instantly your lead will be nurtured, and further, if they are interested, they are going to reply you on the WhatsApp chat automatically. So let's learn how to create this automation. For that, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can send up to 100 of WhatsApp messages for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we are on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, search for 99 acres and select the same. For the event, you have to select it as new leads and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. So to automate the lead capture, copy the webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. And for that, you have to reach out to account manager from 99 acres because 99 acres portal doesn't have the provision to add the webhook URL from the user interface. So you have to reach out someone from the backend team of 99 acres or your account manager from 99 acres and ask them to add this webhook URL in your account. Your integration will be activated by their team only within a week's time. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response below. Okay, so I have already added this webhook URL in my own 99 acres account. So let's capture the webhook response over here, which is the details of my lead. And now you're going to see within seconds and in real time, we are going to capture the lead's detail once they fill in the lead form, and you're going to see the details are captured. The first name, last name, phone number, email, and the area. So now let's move on further and send them an automated WhatsApp message, something like this. Okay, so for that, just close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, you can use any application to send automated WhatsApp message like WhatsApp Cloud API, Vati, AI Sensi, and then Pabbly Chat Flow. Pabbly supports all of them. You just have to search for the application and select the application right over here. So I am going to use Pabbly Chat Flow, so I'm going to search for the same and select it. For the event, I am going to select it as send text message and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between Pabbly Chat Flow and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is going to ask you for the token. So to get this token, just open your Pabbly Chat Flow account. The hyperlink is given over here in the description. Once you click on this Pabbly Chat Flow account, it is going to take you to all Pabbly apps page. Now you have to go on this Pabbly Chat Flow and click on this access now. Once you click on this access now, it is going to open the dashboard of your Pabbly Chat Flow account. Now make sure that you've added your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chat Flow account. If you haven't added your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chat Flow, what you have to do? You're going to find a complete tutorial over here which says connect your WhatsApp number with Pabbly chat flow in few clicks. You can refer and watch this tutorial to learn how to add your WhatsApp number. Once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side you have to go in the settings and then API and webhooks. Over you're going to find the API key. You just have to copy this API token and paste it in your workflow like this. After you paste this, click on the save and your Pabbly chat flow account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now it is saying recipient WhatsApp mobile number, so you have to enter the mobile number of your lead. But over here is a hack that you don't have to enter this WhatsApp mobile number manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So in order to map these details, you have to put a slash, search for the detail and map it like this. So after you map this WhatsApp mobile number, it is saying WhatsApp message. So let's just copy the WhatsApp message from my previous workflow. So let's just copy and paste this WhatsApp message. Once we're going to paste this WhatsApp message, first of all, let's map the name of our lead. So put a slash, then search for the name, map the first name, put a space, put a slash, search for the last name and then map the last name. So it says hi, test lead. Then let's move on further. Thank you for your interest in the property and the area. Over here we have to map the area, so put a slash, search for the area and map it. We have some amazing options available for you and I'd love to discuss this with you. Please let me know a convenient time for a quick call or free to call me directly at this number. You're not mapping this number because this will remain static. Looking forward to speaking with you. Now we have completed this WhatsApp message and as you can see, I've added these right over here in order to bold some text. Okay, so now let's move on further. Now it is saying name, put a slash, search for the name, map the name of your lead over here. Okay, after you map the lead name, it is saying opt-in, keep it as yes, incoming blocked, keep it as no. Now if you want to remove or add some tags, you can do it right from here. If you want, you can definitely enter the key. Just switch on this mapping button, delete whatever is written and enter the key. If you don't want to enter the key, switch on this mapping button, delete whatever is written and keep it as same. Move on further and click on this save and send test request. But before we move on further and click on this save and send test request, I'll just replace this dummy phone number with my original phone number so that it can show the message and the response received. So you can skip this step if you have the real leads detail. Okay, so as you can see that I've replaced this number. Now let's move on further and click on this save and send test request. Make sure that this field is left blank. Once you're going to click on the save and send test request, you're going to see we have received the positive response which says message sent. Okay, so let's open our WhatsApp and yes, a new message is sent to test lead. Not only to test lead, but now whenever we're going to receive a new lead from 99 acres, an automated WhatsApp message will be sent towards that lead. So now go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any doubts, you can drop them in the comment box below. If you want the workflow URL and the discount coupon code, it is attached in the description box below. And then further, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you want more automation tips, tutorials for your own real estate agency, don't forget to subscribe our channel over here from below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.